Ayan, hello mga kalindog. This is me again, Roha Briner. Ang inyong kalindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. So, let's eat donut. But please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Kakain tayo ng tea drinking tayo, no? Tikman natin, bumili ako ng what do you call that? Donut, special donut dito sa I think they're in the city ano ba? Sa Stale, ayan, Stale City. So titikman natin kasi tuwing ano lang yan, New Year lang siya nalabas, nagkakaroon ng ganong mga special na donut. Mostly mga donut lang dito, yung mga may marmalade, ganon. Pero ito yung mga merong sa loob, yung mga liqueur, chocolate. It's they make only New Year and Christmas. So, ayan. Okay? Let's taste it. Ayan mga kalindog, kakain tayo or magko-coffee drinking or tea, I mean, tea drinking. Look what I bought. I show you what I bought. Diba? This is, wow, oh my God. Mapapawaw na lang kayo. Sana wow. Right? This is my favorite. Look, donut. Oh, the German donut. Okay, I show you what is the flavor all of this, okay? Ayan mga kalindog, ang donut. Ito, meron siyang liqueur na chocolate. And this is also I think this is with I don't know, white chocolate. And this is only a marmalade. And of course, ito yung specialty nila. I don't know, this is expensive. Almost €2 only this one, you know. Kaya mga kalindog, we will try kung gaano sila kasarap. Okay? Kaya mga kalindog, kuha tayo ng half-half nito. Okay? There we go. You see? Kita ko sa inyo. Ayan, may puso siya. Only half. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh, this is good. Guck mal mit white chocolate.
In der Kölner Tiny-Haus-Manufaktur arbeitet das Team schon an einem weiteren Mini-Haus. Auch hier wird auf umweltfreundliche Materialien gesetzt.
Ay mga kalindog, try natin, okay? Try natin itong white. Sarap niya. Ito yung may white. Parang siyang lasang babies. Sarap. Ayan mga kalindog. I enjoy first my donut, okay? And see you. Thank you.